Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're back with the Python programs. And today we have a task. And the task of the day, let's see. So we have a task to print this kind of pattern here. And we have to just enter a single integer. And according to that integer, this pattern will be printed. Now, how this pattern is working. Now you can see that these are the stars, and these stars are printing according to the number that we have entered. Like here we have entered 8. So it is printing 8 stars in each line, right? So it's quite simple, and let's see how we're gonna implement using the Python program. So first thing first, I have to take the input from the user. So here I have taken the input. Now what I'm gonna do, I have to print the number of stars according to the given input in each line. So I'm gonna use the for loop for I in range. I'm gonna start it with 1 and it goes to the n plus 1. And what I'm gonna do, I just simply gonna print this n times this star into string, right? So this is the simple implementation. Let's see. So here I am giving it an integer like 7, and you can see it has printed these stars 7 times in a single line, and it has printed in the 7 lines like 3, 6 and 7. So it has printed these 7 times stars in each line and in the 7 lines. So this is the basic implementation of the given program and the problem. I hope you understand it. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.